Hey, this is Matthieu from the RealSense team. I have been anxiously awaiting this brand new AVerMedia SenseEdge Developer Kit, and it finally arrived. So we're going to unbox it today live for you. Well, it's basically a robot in the box. So if you look at it, it comes with a RealSense D457 GMSL camera. These are the industrial robotics cameras that's all the rave these days. Everyone's leaving USB and going to something a little bit more resilient. I think GMSLs can do like 50 meters power over coax. But the rest of the box, there's a deserializer here that I believe can support up to 8 of these RealSense GMSL cameras. And so that's a deserializer board and even an AGX Orin NVIDIA Jetson computer. So let's open this up and see what's going on. All right, there's the top. Ooh, I love the nice co-branded box there, AVerMedia and RealSense. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh, nice styrofoam packing, well packed. And sure enough, I recognize this little guy. That's the RealSense D457 GMSL camera. It ships with one, but like I said, you can upgrade and add on up to 8 of these cameras per robot. Let me put that there for a second. Ooh, this sure is shiny. If this is what I think it is, this is getting real. Sure enough, there it is. There's the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin. Look at that, how cool. I see there's the expansion slot there, so I'm guessing that's where this AVerMedia deserializer board goes. Look how cool and small that is. Yep, there's the expansion slot there, so that'll just plug right onto the Jetson. And sure enough, it might be hard to see, but look at this. Look at the connector there. So it's not your typical 1 camera per slot. There's 4 little jacks, coax ports inside of each connector. So this is pretty interesting. So I would suspect that everything else is in this box. So let's see what's inside of this. Oh, sure enough, yep, there's your power supply, and there's your FAKRA cables. So this is the one that goes to the camera. Oh, and there you go. So that's the magic right here. So the one connector here that goes into the first slot, it's got FAKRA connectors for 4 RealSense cameras. So this is, I can't even imagine like what the things you could build with this. But one of the exciting pieces about this whole solution is it's all ready to go. The software is loaded, the RealSense SDK, the YOLO with models. There's even a GitHub repository that lets you clone it and get right in and start doing human detection with depth mapping, all out of the box, no configuration. So that'll be another video, so stay tuned. I'm super excited. Let the hacking begin.